Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on? Been having a good time the last couple days, man. Decided to stay my butt out of pre-market today. And yo, what up, T-boy? Yeah, hit that like button for me if you could. Um, yeah, just been staying out of pre-market and that way I can go into the open with a clear head. Yeah, man, it's always awesome having you here, bro. PTX looks ready. Nice little. Welcome to All Eggs in One Basket Thursday, 8 p.m. What up, Rob? OG, what's good? I got 8 p.m. THAR, just basically the top four gappers. AEMD, which is actually the number 4 on my list for sure, and then PTX. 3 Pony, what's going on? Good morning. Um, yeah, PTX looks. I don't know, but that's what we got. I almost want to just take AEMD off. I feel like the only reason I have AEMD is because of FOMO. Because if it goes, I don't want to miss it. But AEMD, I feel like AEMD is garbage. In my A Airy Spears voice. What up, Knives? Man, THAR looking kind of clean over here, bro. For the buy right now. Right now. Yo, what up, Trex? Man, I get excited when you say that EMA sandwich is activated, Rob. Like, oh boy. How we doing, Trex? Nah, we printing today, OG. We printing today. I just gotta hit that sell button. I want just 2 big fat buttons. I want a half sell here and a position, just sell the whole position right here. That's all, just 2 big buttons. $15 to the open. Trend line tray in the building. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys. Por favor. PTX. Everything's under the WAP right now except for APM. APM looking. Back over 288. Pretty exciting. Yeah, there she goes. What is this line? Okay, this is like a hourly resistance line I got right here at 160. Just want to take it off of there. Look at that. Man, there goes Star. PTX rolling. What I say, Trey, remind me. Oh, in the Discord when I said mid morning. Yeah. Gotta let it shake out for sure. I gotta let Billy run out and trip the first few landmines and you know make sure everything's okay. It's hard though. It's getting easier though for sure. The big green candles in the moment end up being not as crazy. Being rich isn't easy. Yeah. They end up being not as crazy if you just wait a little while. APM 273. Right off of there. You did? Probably oh you just talking about yeah. Yeah, you would have been out. Man, off of 160 focus. I have my little line right here, man. I was thinking about it. I think it's a great level to catch the bounce off of. Now it's gonna be like way too far gone. $172, huh? PTX looks marvelous. Knees. Yeah, PTX looks marvelous. Everything looks good, man. I'm happy to see everything moving up. AEMD is like, I'm at the very beginning of this uptrend. If you want in, come holla. I mean, yeah, it's AEMD. What's up, Pond? Man, I sure wish I could, man. I feel like, I don't know, man. Sometimes I'm feel like, you know, I got it. And then other time, or it's really myself, man. It's just controlling myself. And sometimes I'm locked in, and sometimes I'm chasing the toy, chasing the toy. Man, look at PTix, bro. Yeah, you know. So it just really just if I can just be patient for the high volume stock to start uptrending. That's like once I get to that one, I'm cool. But it's just like the in between time where I just start taking BS trades. What's up, Eric? And then, you know, you take a couple unnecessary losses and that messes with your head. And then it's just like now you're scared to take the good setups. And, you know, that's why I stayed my butt out of pre market this morning. And PTix is looking wild. Come from boredom. Yeah, same here, Samurai. I mean, literally, like it doesn't, it's not my setup when I'm most of my bad trades. It's just like, I go back and look at them and it's like, bro, what were you doing? Buying fear always. Yeah. Yeah, I hate it when I'm scary, like when I feel like I'm being scary, like bruh. Man, that's a nasty rejection on APM to open the day with. It don't look so bad on the one. Oh, that looks nice. Man, I know it's early, but hey, yo. Hey, yo. That's clean dinner food. It's pretty high volume, though. Flow like water, bro. It's too much. It's too much pullback. Slappage. P-Ticks over here, though. What's happening? Shapeless, formless, like I don't know if you gassing me or trolling me or what's happening. Technically, you gotta tell me which one. I'll be switching these charts so much. I don't know which one you're talking about. I guess the price can help me. 375. I guess you talking about PTX. He means that one. Thanks for clarifying, Bond. Man, I want to take it, but I shall not. Need that pullback, dog. It's right there holding pre-market high like a champ, though. Like a champ. It's way up on the 5, though. It'd be retarded to buy after that. Sounds like a bit more. Nah, that ain't one. I need one. Oh, see, look, it did it. It did the thing.
Order filled.
That was a little late. That's that like half conviction where you're like, I need to see a little bit more. All right, that's enough. Man, we are like way under VWAP though. But it just really looks like on the hourly and the 15 that this is the reversal right here. That's where I'm kind of getting my confidence from. Yeah, you're definitely trolling. Okay, you're not trolling. I wanted to buy a high day breakout right there. Boom, 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 boom. Drink the sunny water. I think we picked the right one. I wish I could see the top bracket right there. I gotta get all the way up to $2. Now take profit, bro. Yeah. I mean, ideally, I would be in at 176. I'm in at 179. You know, it's green. Come on, bro. Man, P-Ticks, though. It's the Red Devil strat. Right. I like it. Ooh, we can break up over here after this little test of VWAP and the previous high. Yo, type of stuff make you want to add. Make you want to add. I ain't gonna do it. My risk is super wide though. Ooh, P-Tix just went off, boy. P-Tix just went off. Mm-mm-mm. Kind of look like it's rejecting VWAP. High over here is 183. What you saying, technical? It's coming down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Missing out on P-Tix for this? Um, I mean, my 2R is 207. I was definitely not hoping to see that. This looks terrible. I mean, this is another one where it's like the entry is garbage. I mean, it looked good on the one, but it's a little early for that. You getting cooked or not? I'm about to find out right now. Oh yeah. Well, thanks, Ben. Oh yeah, I hear you technically. You talking about yeah, yeah. And it's funny because this was like my least favorite stop on my watch list, and I end up over here getting duped and missing P-Tix, bro. Mm-mm-mm. It's alright. The morning is still young. Yeah, totally missed P-Tix, yo. Yeah, just one R. Just one R. Oh, this thing halted, huh? That's why it looks all raggedy. Yeah, that was a trash entry. On the 5, it's like ridiculous. APM ready? Could be. CNSP. Oh yeah, what up, trading like chat? Yo, Leon. Traded PTX, man. I'm disappointed for missing on PTX. And I'm in this thing below VWAP. All kind, just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Yeah, this thing got some work to do. We still got hope though. You still looking at THAR Trey? APM sure is consolidating down here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I seen it. I seen it cooking over here. Good looking out, Rob. In the hall, baby. Now, you. Yeah, I was a little scared yesterday. Feeling a little more confident. I only sold half, Trey. She talking about. uh, leave that pole in the water. Oh, you hit that? Nice. Oh, okay. 255. What was I in at? Oh, you got in before me as usual. Oh, I'm still in 265. Yeah, man, you got it. I wanted to get in, but I'm still yeah, I don't know. I felt more comfortable taking the break of the high, so it is what it is. Hey, that's real nice, Eric. That's real nice. What is this gonna do, man? Hey, y'all, don't let me miss out on the open on 8 p.m.
Order filled.
Get in early and feel no fear. It ain't one size fits all. How much time we got left? 1 minute 31. I want to get to some profit over here so I can relax a bit. Hopefully we can squeeze on up through high of the day. Get to $2. Yeah, hope we don't reject VWAP. That's definitely a possibility. But we just tested it, so stops in a good spot for sure. If it breaks down, it's broke. It's looking pretty decent. I ain't gonna hold you. $30 seconds. I gotta be ready to sell when that opens. Gosh, this is a lot of responsibility right now. I want to sell the pop. Is this short sale restriction? I could just put a little order out here.
Order
Ah,
filled.
man. That's a crappy feel. And dip and rip. Man, PTX look like it wants some money right now, too. Man, we're gonna hold this high or not? Man, I'm regretting this second sale, but next halt is 373. Man, I wanted to take PTX just even on the 5, but I knew the 1 was probably looking great over here. I'm just overtaxed already, though. You know what? This is low. Yeah, that's a good stop. I'm gonna leave that there. THAR looking like it's trying to reverse over here. That looks pretty good on the 5.
Order filled.
Man, it's kind of trash RR on that one. Dang, PTX, bro. How am I not trading this right now? That's crazy. Mm-mm-mm. Man, nice work, Leon. I'm disappointed. Yeah. I really want to try this right here.
Order filled.
This one's a stretch for sure. Dang. Yeah, I know, Rob. I know. Once that thing broke pre-market high, it should have been all hands on deck over there. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling missing out on PTX for sure. Yeah, thanks, Nas. You're right. And I mean, I could have been missing out on PTX, you know, squandering my wealth on something, but I think I took some pretty decent trades. I'm gonna add right there, but I don't want to get too saucy on the one, man. I feel like that was the moment, though. I'm gonna leave that 2R right there because that's a pretty nice leap. Pretty nice leap. Yeah, I'm a 1 minute king. Nah, dang, $6, bro, on PTix. I mean, I'm watching it, but it's I have my opportunity here and I have my opportunity here. Like I'm not buying it up there, you know? Yeah, that's clean, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw it, man. I had a mind to get in because I was watching this and I was like, nah. And then I saw it break down here and I was like, yeah. And I don't know why I looked away, but that was that. Yeah, I really should have got out under this candle right here. Mm, dang, Leon, for real. That's crazy. Hmm. Yeah, it sure is. This pullback candle's looking vicious. Maybe it'll hold 450 though.
Order filled.
It's a little sudden. Man, APM's looking pretty interesting over here.
Order filled.
This is crazy. Ooh, we're doing bad over here though. 1.16 R. That sucks. I hate stopping out on like the third red candle because you know it's gonna turn around after it stops you out. But you can't just keep giving it room. Yeah, look like they left though. Where'd you guys go? Whoa, yowzers. Yeah, I think I'm about to lose out on Thar and APM. Well, let's see here. Definitely AMD is cooked. Got a nice wall right there. Ooh.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Dang, 1.5 R's. That sucks. P-Tick's coming back down. Look like you're not gonna get another chance on that one. Me, the volatility has arrived. Ooh. Yeah, it was, man. And it's crazy because that was literally I shouldn't even watched it, man. It was the worst one to watch. And I ended up bro, gotta start listening to yourself. Bro, P-Tick's looking. That thing's way up there though. I'm about to stop out on this too. It's gonna be bad. Yeah, it was a decent move. Buying this far below the average and VWAP, that should have been more prone to selling than building up a position. But hopefully 450 is what it looked like it was, and we keep on rolling. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah. Well, I mean, I said it from the beginning, though. That was foresight, too. Just didn't listen. This is nice price action, though. Realized, okay, not too bad. We can still trade. They act like they in APM. Where is it at though?
Order filled. Order filled.
Dang. That fell out. Get myself in trouble with these adders, eh? Adding does create a stigma of bias. Like it has to go up further now, you know. Ooh, PTX, man. That's the one, bro. I need to get off of all this other stuff. We got 3 minutes on that in APM 297. All right. Europa, we need some help over here. Keep that thing over 3, man. Dang.
Order filled.
It's gonna sweep me. Man. It is violent right here. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Dang. I cannot get in sync with the buyers today, man. Man. Yeah, that part too. Bruh. 2 penny stop out. Hmm. Right.
Order filled.
I didn't want to do that. 76. There it is. There it is. I'm just having a hard time. There we go, bro. 90. I should have hit it, bro. I was about to hit it. Uh, It was right there in my hand. Oh, yeah. That was the moment. That was the moment. I just wanted to see that break. It's coming down hard, bro. Damn.
Order filled.
2R right there, bro. Didn't take it. Well, killed my own day. Killed my own day. Dang, man. Yeah. I know, man. Here goes 8 p.m., man. Yeah, definitely should have took half. I was up 2R or something. Like, take half, reassess something. Damn, there goes 8 p.m. Adding myself out of this trade for sure. This entry would have been golden. Yeah. Adding up here was ridiculous. Yeah, sometimes the one it gets you too jumpy, man. It gets you too jumpy. Had some nice looks. Yeah. Yeah, if I can let go of my desire for what I want the end of the trade to look like as far as ours, and just hit that sell button, man. Because I feel it like I'm fighting myself. Like, just hold a little longer, a little longer. Like, I should sell. I should say, nah, hold a little longer. And, you know, damn, bro. It'd be right there. It'd be right there. It was a bit slippery today. I regret my below VWAP entries like on AEMD, and I had another one that was real bad. THAR was like below VWAP, and my moving average, which I haven't done that in a really long time. Which was actually a nice reversal, but I didn't sell it. I bought more. Yeah. I know, bro. Beautiful. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Oh well. All right. I'm done. I'm cooked. That is unfortunate. There's a lot of meat left on the day. There's a lot of meat left on the day. What time is it? 10:30. Yeah, it's okay though. I realize that when I get to max loss, it's because I'm tripping. And like how this trade gave me 2R and I didn't take it. You know, like squeezed it out. Like it to get that kind of pop off of what is likely a backside. Like you know, you gotta sell that, bro. That was wild. Yeah. Yeah, see, my first entry's nice, you know, but then I just sitting, I'm watching the one, and I'm like looking to add, but the five, man, the five let you know when it's time to look for the ad, which would have been, you know, after this candle closed, and you'd be like, all right, what's good, and then you know, then you can get in like around here. Boom, that's a super clutch ad. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. I like when I see the five and I'm like, all right, the five is ready, and then I look at the one and get a nice, you know, lower entry. But it don't even be that much lower for real. Like I think I actually did buy this one on the five though. Yeah, I did buy this one on the five. But yeah, the rebuy on the five was clutch. Yeah, yeah, one kind of got me today. And this shouldn't have been a trade either. That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Yeah, so I had some issues today. I think one of the main things. Hmm. Yeah, that's sad. It's sad to get stopped out right before the move, for sure. And then you just did it to yourself. Did it to yourself. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it is, T-Lo. That's exactly what it is. Can you imagine being tempted by one of your exes every day? Or I could have bought more. Nah, not where I was on my day as far as risk. Yeah. The ad got to be on the five, just like the entry got to be on the five. That one is FOMO, bro. That one is hella FOMO. Nah, but I mean, even when I look at the trades I took yesterday, and you look at them on the five, it's like, man, you could have just traded the five. Let me see. Where's these pictures from yesterday? Well, but like the hammer, this hammer on the five was what made me look for the entry. I didn't get like it's not like a technically a 5 minute entry. Um, I think this one was though. Man, yesterday was cold blooded. uh, yeah, I got in my own way today for sure. For sure. Cold blooded. All right, but I gotta get out of here, y'all. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. 34 in here, yo. Wish I had a better day, man. I had a great time yesterday. We was about to have a great time today too. I just got a little lost in the sauce, man. Trading this. I really don't want to trade below VWAP anymore. I really don't, man. Like if it's actually gonna go, then let it go a little bit and come back and hold VWAP. It's kind of how I'm feeling right now. And like this was ridiculous. Because it's just a completely different monster when it's downtrending. You know, you got to sell a little more aggressively, which is what I would have needed to do on THAR and AMD. Sure missed that pop. Yeah. So just be water and manage the crashes. Yeah. Yeah. But it's like, because I feel like trading below VWAP, you got to kind of use that as your target, you know, and it's just kind of a different mindset on the sales to me than when it's uptrending. Yeah. All right, though. I got to go, y'all. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And yeah, man. Yeah, but this is third high, bro. It was too far up there. The dip was a little too good to pass up. And I actually could have got 2R out of it, but I was too stubborn for that. So what ifs. But yeah, man, I'm out. Peace. What? What's up, Wave Rider? Go back to THAR yesterday. All right. What are we looking at, Trey? Yeah, but look how close it is to the averages in VWAP. Like, I don't know. This feels way extended up here. But mm, extended since when does that matter? I mean, I'm not too mad about it. It was like for a trade to not work for this one, I'm like, okay, you had to give that a try. It was a pullback to a previous high, no sell signal on the top, you know. So I'm not mad. The trade just didn't work. Yeah. Okay. I see your point. The sell signal came in here though. And then It's too late. Water. Yeah. There's some water rules too though. I honestly, man, it's the 5, bro. It's all I need, man. It's just so hard to be patient for it. Yeah. Yeah. That would have been smart. Did he break 6 on that candle? 5.99. Yeah, I could have got some out for sure. But all right, this time I'm leaving. I'm out. Peace.